Okay, this is Venn diagram, sir. The problem solving. So we are taking this as example 1 under the Venn diagram. Under the Venn diagram. 50 students were asked what they did last night. 60 said they read a book. 41 said they watched television. If 7 said they did neither. So how many did both? So how do you go about that? The first thing you do is to itemize this out. Just say let the number of the students who were in the club be 50. Are you getting now? Then 60 said they read the book. Let that one be 10. The number of the students who read books is what is 16. Then 41 said they watched television. Television now is 41. Is that it? And if 7 said they did neither, that is none of them read a book or watched television. So it's going to be N, which is B, in your what? C prime, then you have what? You put 7. But in that case, you need to know the number of the students. The only number of the students who read the book and only those who watched the television. Now, for you to know the number of the students who read the book is going to be B intersection T. Then you have what? Where is that number? It's going to be 16 minus what? Minus X. Don't forget that those who did the book is going to be B intersection T equals to X. Okay? Now let's know only those who watch the television is going to be B prime intersection T equals to what? 41 minus X. That X is what? Is the number of the students who did the both events. So you are going to draw your diagram. Which is this? So here is going to be the actual items. Here is going to be for book. Here is going to be for television. Okay? Now, the number of the students who did the both, we are going to put it here. And the number of the students who did or who read book only is going to be 16 minus X. And the number of the students who watch television only is going to be what? 41 minus 1 minus X. There is a difference between the number of the students who read the book and the number of the students who read the book only. They are not the same thing. They are the same thing as the number of the students who watch television. It's not the same thing as the number of the students who watch the television only. Who watch the television only means what? Those who did the two events and what? The number of the students who watch the television will give you this one. So what we do now? Add the region together. If you add the region together, you are going to have 16 minus X, then plus 1 plus X, then plus 1 plus 41, then minus X, then equals to what? All the number of the students who were in that event. So it's going to be 50. It's going to be 50. Okay, minus times plus, we'll cancel it out. Okay, now let's add 16 plus 41. 16 plus 41 is what? With 6 plus 1 will give you 7. Then 1 plus 4 will give you 57. Here we are having 57 minus X equals what? Equals to 50. Now, how do we know or how do we obtain the number of the students who did the both events? So we are going to have 57 minus X equals to 50. So when you bring this one to on that side, you are going to add minus x equals to 50 minus 57. Okay? Therefore, your x is what? Your x is what? It's 7. So that is the number of the student who did the both acts or the both events, who read the books and who also watched the television. Thank you. Watch out for example 2.